Hola, buenas tardes. Mi nombre es Cristian Camilo Velandia. Hago parte de la carrera de Ingeniería Industrial del grupo 150. Entonces, bueno, vamos a iniciar. Bueno, Manufacturing Contract. These contracts work in reverse of a license. In this case, the international company hires a local company to manufacture its products, delivering the specified technical and quality actions. Here, quality control becomes essential to control brand prestige. This allows an international company to test and penetrate an external market, evaluating in stage the possibility of subsequently investigating in the local market. In the other hand, for local companies, they represent a great opportunity to cover their outlet production capacities as their local market threats. Church, either due to a recession or due to sensationality. These also allow local companies to test their international competitive capabilities. Recommendation: participation of social scientists in research and development projects so that inputs are participation of social scientists in research and development projects so that inputs are received in the laboratory stage. Lower organizational barriers to facilitate cooperation between different interest groups. Referencias. Gracias.